Hi, welcome to artistic documentation. In this video we will solve different types of arithmetic reasoning problem at the previous test. Look like previous test. So here today our first question is: Mary is 6 years older than her brother, so the sum of their ages is 30. How old is her brother? So here we can consider 6 years older. Mary is 6 years older than her brother. So her brother age is 6 and Mary is 6 years older. So Mary's age will be x plus 6. So now in the present case, they are both of the person age summation will be 30. So x plus 6 equal 30. So here 2x plus 6 equal 30, and here also. So here 2x plus 6 minus 6 30 minus 6. So here 2x equal 24. So x equal 12. So here we have got her brother age and Mary's age will be plus 6 18. So 18 plus 12 equals 30. So now another problem is Tom can complete a job in 5 hours. Jerry can do the same job in 3 hours. So how long will it take them if they work together? If they work together, 5 plus 3 divided by 2, we will get 4 hours. So now the ratio of boys and girls in a class is 3 is to 5. So if there are 3 times 5, if there are 24 girls, so here girls ratio is 3 and the available girls are 24. So we need to find out the boys, number of boys. So here 24 divided by its ratio times 5. So here 3 will goes over 24, it's 8 times, and 8 times 5 is 40. So the number of boys will be 40. And here a coat originally cost $120. Its sales price is off. It is on sale for 25% off. So we need to find out the 25%. So 14 times 120, 14 times 120, then so a 4 will goes over 120, it's 30 times. So after the 25% off, the actual price, sale price will be $90. So now another problem: a car can travel at 60 miles per hour. How far it will take? How far can it travel in 3.5 hours? So 3.5 times 60 equal to 110 kilometer. Sorry, it's miles. So now another problem: the average of 4 test score is 82. So what is the total of 4 scores? So 4 times 82 equal 4 times 80. 4 times 80 equal 320 plus 4 times 2 equal 8. So we will get 328. So the total of 4 score is 328. So today is our next problem is how much interest is earned on $1,000. Okay. So here at a 6% annual rate for 2 years. Okay. So $6 will be the annual interest rate for $100, and here we need to divide by 100. We will get 10, and 10 times 6 equals $60 will be the interest for annually if you are investing $100 after 2 years. So we need to multiply with 2, it's $120. So now another problem is what is the least common multiple? So here 3 6. So 6 means 3 times 2, and 8 means 2 times 2 times 2, and here 12 means 4 times 3, 2 times 2 times 3. So here you can take this one, and another digit is 3, so we need to multiply these things. 2 times 2 times 2, so LCM, least common multiple, equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So here 8 times 3 equal 24. So now another problem is 2 gallon of juice costing $3 per gallon. Okay, 2 times 3 equals $6. 3 gallons costing $5 per gallon, so 3 times 5 equals 15 dollars. So what is the average cost per gallon? So here the amount is 2 gallon and 3 gallons. Here it's 5 gallon, 5 gallons. So here the total cost is $21. So 21 divided by 5, so here 4 point, and here we can take a 0. 10 divided by 5, it's 2, so 20. So the average cost per gallon will be $4.20. So here another problem is you can buy a phone $200 and sell it for $250. What is the percentage profit? So here $200 and $250. So you can check, it's $50 is extra. So how much percentage is $50 for $250? So you can directly do these things. 250 minus 200 equal 50. So 50 will goes over 250, it's 5 times. So how much is 1 over 5 times 100? It's 20%. This way you can calculate. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any kinds of question, you can ask me, feel free of cost. So here is our private group is AI or competitive exam, so powered by Bluebird. So you can also search our website, it's named as Bluebird. So I will share with all of the links and study materials in the description. Thanks for watching my video. See you again for the next tutorial.